This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and clearing variables. Unplug the TV and all peripherals, then wait 60 seconds so internal capacitors discharge. This resets volatile error states. Once done, plug the TV directly into the wall, avoid power strips or UPS units that mask issues, then power it on. Make sure you have the remote and model number at hand because you'll need menu navigation and firmware lookup. Doing this first isolates power and accessory failures before deeper resets or software recovery steps. Next, you access the TV's recovery path to repair software faults. Use the model-specific remote key combination to open the service or recovery menu. This allows a soft reset without losing settings. If the logo remains, perform a factory reset to clear persistent firmware corruption. When factory reset fails, prepare a USB with the exact firmware for your model and boot from it. This reinstalls system files. Make sure the USB is FAT32, and the firmware file name and folder structure match the manufacturer requirements. Finally, you complete cleanup and verify stability. After successful boot, reconnect the network and reinstall essential apps, then power cycle the TV 3 times to confirm the logo no longer hangs. If the TV still stalls after a firmware flash, try an alternate official firmware release or repeat the reflash. Corrupt flashes can leave the bootloader confused. If repeated software fixes fail, suspect hardware, document exact symptoms, error lights, and model number, and contact authorized service. One key tip: try a different USB drive before assuming the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.